This last time's homework. There are two ways to do the question. The first method is 17.5% of 35 pounds at 35 pounds. Another method is being 35 pounds is 100 and plus 17.5% and times by 35 pounds, and the answer will be straight. I do two ways. So 17.5% of 35 pounds is 17.5 out of 100 times by 35 pounds plus 35 equals 41.3 pounds. Another method is being 35 is 100% plus 17.5% out of 100 times by 35. The answer straight is 41.3. The second question is two ways to do. The first method is find 15% of 480 is 15% of 480. And from 480, take away of 15%, 480, which means is 480 minus 480 times by 15% is 15 out of 100. Answer is 408 pounds. Another method is being the 480 is 100%, is take away 15%, which is 85%. So 85 out of 100 times by 480 equals 408. This is straight answer. Today we learn ratio. I got question is share out 40 pounds between Alex and Betty. The name in the ratio always in the order. So Alex and Betty. Alex 3, Betty 5. They share 40 pounds. Today we learn ratio. Here, the question, share out 40 pounds between Alex and Betty in the ratio 3 and 5. So, there is Alex bet 3, 5. Alex got 3 shares, Betty got 5 shares. The 3 are the 5. Total shares is 8. So totally 40 pounds. I find 1 share divided by 8. So 1 share is 5. So Alex got 3 shares. So Alex times 5. Which is 15 pounds. Betty got 5 shares, which times 5. Betty got 25 pounds. I got question, share out 60 pounds between Sarah and David. Sarah, David. Sarah, 2 shares. David got 3 shares. That means total share is 2. Other 3 is 5. I want to find each share. The per share, 60 divided by 5 is 12. Sarah has 2 shares, means 2 times by 12 give to me 24 pounds. David has 3 shares. This is 3 times by 12. It gives me 36 shares. I got this question, same last question, but a little bit difference. The question between Tom and Joe, the ratio is 5. Tom is 5, Joe is 2. They say Tom received 15 pounds in tips in 1 week. 15 pounds. They ask how much Joe received. So 5 times 3 is 15 pounds. So Joe times 3 is 6 pounds. So Joe gets 6 pounds. This is the answer. So here's homework for you and me. See you next time.